This is Paramount Twin Towers, Oniru by Bolton Morgan Holdings. The project is progressing at a fast pace. The Tower A axis superstructure has commenced. This is Tower B. We are done casting on the first floor and we are on the second floor. So far, we are done with the substructure work. Superstructure work is ongoing. Work is ongoing simultaneously on both Towers A and B. Located just steps away from the breathtaking Atlantic Ocean. Our twin tower development is unparalleled, consisting of 13 floors that offer residents a luxurious lifestyle like no other. Save 20% when you buy now.